Hey, Mr. Marvin. Mr. John. What's up? It's finally getting done. His peeps is helping him out. And there's Mr. Cooper. Woo-hoo! And Mr. Cooper helper back there. We're going to be in here by April this year. Mira, you the only one not doing nothing. And it's all on film. He done stepped out while his boys in here. I wonder, should I just let the boys stay here? Yeah, right. Now got nothing to do with your hands. The vision is coming. There's his water heater over there. We don't have to worry about replacing that. Oh, let's go look at this floor back here. That's the way to do it. So this right here is twisted.
What?
That metal piece right there. Or is it supposed to be like that?
Nah, that's where it is.
Oh, okay. Whew. Mira tore that part down last week and stuff like that. That's gonna be a part of his bathroom. What's up, my peoples? Okay, this is the before and during. I'll show y'all of it after. Mira will be still there doing nothing with it. Later.